buying your first boat sounds exciting. The freedom, the adventure, the weekends on the water, the dream of escaping everyday life. But for many first-time buyers, that excitement quickly turns into stress, expensive repairs, and serious regret. In fact, many boat owners end up regretting their first purchase entirely, not because boating is bad, but because nobody warned them about what really matters before buying. So in this video, we're breaking down 7 mistakes first-time boat buyers always make. And if you're thinking about getting your first boat someday, this video could save you a lot of money, stress, and regret. Number 1. Buying the wrong type of boat. This is probably the biggest mistake beginners make. A lot of people buy boats based purely on looks. They see a beautiful yacht online or a luxury speedboat on social media and immediately fall in love with the image. But what many buyers fail to realize is that different boats are built for completely different lifestyles. A fishing boat is different from a cruising boat. A wake boat is different from a liveaboard trawler. A catamaran offers a completely different experience from a monohull, and buying the wrong type of boat can become a nightmare very quickly. Some people buy fast performance boats, then realize they actually wanted comfort and long-distance cruising. Others buy massive yachts, only to discover they mainly use the boat for short weekend trips. And some people buy boats that simply don't fit the waters around them. Before buying anything, you need to ask yourself one important question. What will I actually use this boat for? Not what looks impressive online, not what influencers own, not what your friends recommend. What will realistically fit your lifestyle? Because the right boat for someone else could easily become the wrong boat for you. Number 2. Underestimating the real costs. Many first-time buyers focus only on the purchase price, but experienced boat owners know something beginners often learn the hard way. Buying the boat is only the beginning, because once you own a boat, the expenses never truly stop. There's fuel, maintenance, insurance, storage, cleaning, repairs, dock fees, winterization, electronics, engine servicing, and unexpected breakdowns. And boats can become incredibly expensive to maintain. Sometimes shockingly expensive. A repair that sounds small can suddenly cost thousands of dollars. Even basic annual maintenance can catch new owners completely off guard. That's why experienced buyers usually recommend setting aside extra money beyond the actual purchase price. Because the worst situation is buying a boat you can barely afford, then realizing you can't afford to properly maintain it, and neglected boats become expensive problems very quickly. Number 3. Skipping the inspection. This mistake destroys people financially. Some first-time buyers get so excited that they rush into purchases emotionally. The boat looks clean. The seller seems trustworthy. Everything appears perfect, so they skip the inspection. Huge mistake, because boats can hide problems extremely well, and some issues aren't visible until it's far too late. A boat may look beautiful outside, while secretly having engine problems, electrical issues, water damage, corrosion, or structural problems underneath. And repairing marine damage is not cheap. This is why serious buyers often hire marine surveyors before purchasing a used boat. A proper inspection can reveal problems that could save you thousands later. Yes, inspections cost money up front, but compared to the cost of buying a bad boat, it's worth every dollar. Number 4. Buying too big too soon. A lot of beginners assume bigger automatically means better. Bigger boats look more luxurious, more impressive, more powerful, but bigger boats also come with higher costs, more maintenance, harder docking, more complicated systems, and more responsibility. And many first-time owners become overwhelmed. Suddenly they're managing multiple engines, advanced electronics, larger fuel bills, and difficult maneuvering situations. For inexperienced owners, large boats can become stressful instead of enjoyable. That's why many experienced boaters recommend starting smaller. Smaller boats are usually easier to learn, cheaper to maintain, less intimidating, and far more forgiving. And once you gain experience and confidence, upgrading becomes much easier later because boating skills matter far more than boat size. Number 5. Ignoring storage and marina costs. This is another hidden expense that surprises many people. A lot of first-time buyers focus only on buying the boat without thinking about where the boat will actually stay. And depending on location, marina fees can become extremely expensive, especially for larger boats. Some marinas charge monthly fees that rival apartment rent, and in certain popular boating areas, finding available dock space can be difficult altogether. Then there's trailer storage, dry storage, winter storage, and hauling fees. Some owners even discover that transporting their boat is more complicated than expected, and if you buy a boat before figuring out storage plans, you can end up scrambling for solutions after the purchase. That's why smart buyers research local marina and storage costs before buying anything, because sometimes the ownership costs outside the boat itself become the real problem. Number 6. Not taking a sea trial. Would you buy a car without driving it first? Probably not. Yet many people buy boats without properly testing them on the water, and that's a huge mistake because a boat can feel completely different once it's moving. Maybe it handles poorly, maybe it's louder than expected, maybe visibility is terrible, maybe the ride feels uncomfortable in waves, or maybe the boat simply doesn't feel right for you. A sea trial allows buyers to experience how the boat actually performs in real conditions. You can test acceleration, handling, engine performance, noise levels, comfort, and overall usability. And sometimes, just a short ride is enough to completely change someone's mind. Never rely only on photos or dockside appearances. A boat should be tested where it matters most, on the water. Number 7. Falling in love too fast. This final mistake causes almost every other mistake on this list. Emotion. Boats are emotional purchases. People imagine sunset cruises, luxury vacations, family memories, ocean adventures, and freedom from everyday life. And because of that excitement, buyers often stop thinking logically. They rush decisions, ignore warning signs, overspend, skip inspections, or convince themselves that obvious problems aren't a big deal. Sellers know this happens too. That's why some buyers end up purchasing boats they later regret. The smartest boat buyers stay patient. They compare options, research carefully, ask questions, walk away when something feels wrong, and most importantly, they understand that there will always be another boat. Because rushing into the wrong purchase can turn a dream into an expensive headache very quickly. Conclusion: buying your first boat can be one of the most exciting experiences ever, but it can also become one of the most expensive mistakes if you rush into it unprepared. The good news is that most beginner mistakes are avoidable if you choose the right type of boat, understand the real costs, inspect carefully, start within your skill level, and stay patient. You'll already be ahead of many first-time buyers. Because the best boating experiences usually begin with smart decisions long before the boat ever leaves the dock. But what about you? What's the biggest mistake you think first-time boat buyers make? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us here on Boat Hunter for more boating tips, yacht discoveries, and amazing boats from around the world.